What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for this video, we will be showing you a potential solution for the 3D cinema mission in the FLL Masterpiece game. Completion of this mission achieves 20 points, and this will be shown from a few different angles. If you would like additional details on the robot, please stay tuned for the end of the video, and now, let's get into it. There are several key features of this robot that allow us to complete missions this year. First, the articulating arm can go as low as the mat and high enough to do the light show and music concert lights. You may also notice the motor on the other side of the robot, which will be used to pick up the experts. The front of the robot is flat, so it can be used for alignment against walls or mission models. There are also these angled beams to do the theater scene change. On the bottom, there are light sensors that can be used to detect lines or regions of color. And finally, similar to the front, the back is also flat so it can be used for robot alignment against walls or mission models. And so that's about it for this video. Feel free to check out all our other LEGO videos in the playlist in the top left corner. If you enjoyed this one, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video. Feel free to follow my Instagram and TikTok in the description below. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.